Hi, I'm a tutor at Uplatz, and this is a very basic Tableau desktop topic introduction part where I would be telling you about this course and what all topics have been included. So this presentation is by Uplatz, and the contact details are as given. So in this session, we have included almost all the basic topics with the hands-on session. So the first was installation of Tableau Desktop. How is one supposed to install Tableau Desktop on your machine so that you can start working either with an active license or a 14-day free trial part. Then I have taken you through the Tableau workspace and navigation. How is the menu bars and the toolbars and all? What all are the options? How can you save and so on? uh, with the design flow of how do you have to create your worksheets, your dashboards, your story, where do you have the visualizations or the graph options and so on. Then Tableau and the connectors that we can use, be it a flat file or be it a web page or any relational or cloud databases, how you have to connect and how you can use it. Then the filters, okay, uh, the different types of filters along with how do you have to connect to your data source and how your dimension and measure would look like, and your view, the basic operators that you can use for creating a calculated field. Along with that, we have also covered how do you have to create a calculated field, sets, groups, bins, parameters, and hierarchy. What is the purpose of each one of them, and when do you have to use them? And lastly, but not the least, we have also included the basic graphs and the charts that you can use to visualize your data. These all are the main 8 to 9 topics that we have covered in this session. So thank you, and please start going through each and every recording one by one.